Good.
It's that bottom right unit that keeps threatening me.
Okay, so they put hands on you?
They didn't put hands on me, but they
Okay.
keep like coming up to me and like, I'll fucking beat you and shit like that. Like, I don't know who to talk to. I can't call 911 because it's not like a threatening thing.
Yeah.
But, like, they keep threatening me. I don't know what to do.
So that window right there?
Right one, right there.
Okay, so this window right here, right?
Yeah.
What, this door right here?
It's the bottom right, yeah.
All right. Can you keep for me like that? You won't get handled with the vehicle. Security. How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Good. I just got a call here that about threats and stuff like that across the street.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
You
what's
got our email?
Huh?
You got our email?
No, yeah, I just want to know, yeah, cause I got a call for that, and I want to know what's going on.
Okay, so basically, I was walking. Well, really, I was coming from got some strawberries and some bagels.
Okay.
Went to go try to give it to a homeless man. He wasn't there. So on my way back, I was walking outside with my son, and he was in the stroller. This guy, I don't know if you see his window, but that guy right there with the green lights and blue.
Yeah.
He was outside calling me a nigger. Well, he was in his window calling me a nigger.
Okay.
And he was like, nigger, kept saying it, right? So I turned around, like, who the hell is doing that shit? So I turned around, and I told him, I ain't gonna lie, I was like, you gotta hide behind the window to say it. You know what I'm saying? So I just emailed the front office about it. So they'll be hearing about it tomorrow as I call them as well.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I don't feel safe in this community because of that, and I feel distraught because I'm walking with my son at night.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to have to deal with that.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, what are you doing? Why are you sitting in your window just watching people and calling them a nigga?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, he mentioned was two of you.
It was my brother. My brother just left. He went to go drop his daughter off.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what he was doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother's my roommate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what happened. He was calling you the N-word and stuff like that, and you was looking, and as soon as you saw who it was, you confronted the guy for
yeah, and I stood over here. I never went close to his window or anything. Just saying, I stood over here in the parking lot right here, just observing who it is.
Yeah.
So I did get a picture of his address and his door number, so I can report it to the front office.
All right. So you did that email for the leasing office?
I just sent it out.
All right, that'll be perfect.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I know you probably couldn't tell me this, but he called you guys. It's crazy because they start stuff and then want to. I'm so tired of this repeating cycle, man.
Yeah.
I really am.
Yes, and next time it happens, just call us.
Yeah, I appreciate you.
Yeah, just call us and I'll get the information. All right.
Yes,
because
sir.
every report that I do is also going to go to the leasing office, and also they're going to see what we did here.
Front office, so.
Yeah. So right now, what I'm going to do is the report whatever you tell me right now, I'm going to put in the report, and whatever he tells me, going to do a report, and then whatever you send to the leasing office, they're also going to see that as well.
Okay.
All right, brother.
All right. I appreciate you.
Have a good night.
You too.
All right, so let me ask you, will you look out the window calling him the N-word when he was walking out here with his child?
No.
Because that's what fused everything out. He was calling him the N-word and stuff like that out the window, and then he stood around.
How can I call out the window when my window is even open?
Yeah, well, that's what he said. That,
okay, so I'm gonna get like threatened to be killed.
Yeah, so what I want to do is I want to do a report of everything you told me about getting threats, about getting threatened for your life and stuff like that. I want to get your unit number and everything. I want to put it part of the report, and whatever he tell me part of the report, and then you could also
say whatever he wants to say, but that's not true.
No, yeah, but I'm just I was not here. I'm going by your story and his story, and I'm going to do the report on it. The leasing office is going to see it as well.
Okay.
And then any concern that you have as well, you could also send a email to the leasing office, like that they could also see what was going on.
I also have another issue.
Okay.
That female right up there, I don't have an issue with her. She's like naked in her apartment. I can still see her naked.
Okay.
So like, I don't know if you can tell her, like, maybe close the blinds a little bit.
Okay.
Like, I can still see her naked.